For more than a century, the woodland charms of Cook Forest State Park have attracted vacationers in search of peace and quiet in nature. The unspoiled 8,500-acre park is best known for its awe-inspiring stands of old-growth hemlock and white pines, some which rank amongst the tallest trees and the oldest in the northeast United States. Hikers can explore many trails, and kayakers can paddle the picturesque Clarion River, which flows through the park. Seneca Point and the nearby fire tower provide spectacular views of the wild and scenic Clarion River Valley below. Find more information online at visitpago.com/Clarion.